Good afternoon all. It is Sunday afternoon, 7th of November. 2.5 days towards Christmas. So yeah, hey G-Bear, I get them too. Skyriders. As always, we have a crying baby next door. Boxes. Got the second one done. Haven't filled it up yet, but we'll get there. I decided to do a harvest this week because we have our first 36 degrees Celsius day on Friday later on this week coming. Hot. We had 34 degrees on Thursday. I was hoping I had some tomatoes right for you to go with my potatoes that I'm going to harvest in a sec. But no. So, having said that, sorry, I'm just checking my phone there. We'll just do some silver beet and potatoes and call it quits because I have had a very busy weekend. I spent all day yesterday painting that. Doesn't that look super? So, having said that, I am just going to do more silver beet. More silver beet, sir. Please, sir, can I have some more? I hope you can hear me above that plane. So much silver beet. I've been chopping and blanching and freezing. Fun stuff. Actually, I've dehydrated some as well. Dehydrating takes a long time. It takes about 8 hours in the machine. So it uses up, if you're on grid, a fair bit of electricity. And I got my electricity bill and I wasn't happy. So I have to ration the dehydrator. So more silver beet over here. I don't know if you can see it very well. So I'll just show you. Coming along nicely, isn't he? It's a he. I can tell it's a he. No pumpkins yet. No pumpkins yet. So we'll just get some more silver beet over here because the leaves are really full. I just ordered everything, so should be good because I am buggered. I am going to go. Painting is hard work. You got to bend down. And you got to bend back up again. Where did that one go? And you not only got to do it once, you get to do it 1,000 times over. So my muscles here on the back of my leg here are in agony. I'm in agony. I didn't get much sleep last night. I only got 4 hours sleep because I had to go food shopping this morning. And yeah, busy. And it's really starting to feel like holidays and Christmas out there and absolute mayhem. Now have a look at that leaf. That is my pride and joy. It's got to be the size of my arm. Yeah. Rightio. That's the silver beet. Come here, you. Now, like I said, I'll deal with those garden beds next year. I'm trying to score another one at the moment, but I don't like my chances. So, over here, I know I've got potatoes because I have seen some. Excuse me while I just adjust my goose and mavericks. Thank you very much. It's gardening. Your bars fall down on you all the time. Yes, I'm actually dressed. Hi. I haven't got my dressing gown on today. But as you can see, this is why I was umming and ahhing. If it's going to be 36 degrees next week, I don't want to keep these going because it won't last. And I forgot to get some potatoes at the shops this morning. And the price of potatoes makes me like to not buy potatoes up the shops. So let's see what we got here. What we got here is very well rooted. Now this pot's been going since September. No slugs or insects, which is interesting. So whether there's anything, ooh, there, I do feel something. Ooh, red potatoes. Red potatoes. Oh my. Is that the Siiiigh potato? That can't be the Siiiigh potato, can it? Can it? I don't know in that one. So I'm not expecting miracles. But a couple more potatoes will be accepted. So I think, oh no, here we go, four. I haven't had much luck in growing red potatoes. I don't know why. I always thought they were a bit easier and faster to grow than white potatoes, but yeah. So, oh, excuse me folks, when I bend over like that, it kills my back. So what are we up to, 6 minutes? So, yeah. You know, just, you don't have to plant much, but there you go. You know what I mean? So as I said, oh my finger, I'm trying so hard. Tomatoes, they're coming. Like these are starting to blush. And over here, cherry tomatoes. If you can see that without my finger and the camera focusing. See, look at that, they're coming. They're coming. Now, carrots. This bed just only wants to grow carrots. Okay, I'll take that. And some have popped up, and I think that celery is recovering, so hopefully. So we've already done that garden bed, so let's just go up here for a bit. That looks much better now. Up here is doing pretty good too. So if you can see properly without my freaking finger in the way, and if I can focus better, sorry guys, I'm rushing this. Broad beans, cucumbers, and look at that celery, it's coming. Cucumbers, and down here, red dwarf capsicums, and for you guys that's peppers. Spring onions, which I'm not having much luck with, but one's still going. I've also been busy at the back here. This is where it's hurting. We've got a big plane go through. There he goes. Right up there. Another one. It always seems to do it on a Sunday. G-Bear thinks it's a conspiracy theory. And this is where it's also hurting. It's digging out this garden bed because of the reeds. So I have been doing things in the garden. But I'm very happy with how my celery is going at the moment because it's my one and only. So there you go. See, there's the cucumbers. This one starting to take shape. So we might have more than one cucumber over there shortly. Ha ha ha. So I've been busy in the garden, and it's starting to show, and it's starting to hurt. Gardens are not easy, peoples. They come with years of hard work. It's taken me 3 years to get this lot done so far, and I've got a lot more to go. So on that note, I hope this video works out well. I'm knackered. I need to go and have a nap. Alright, lovely peoples, thank you and goodbye.